Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create custom championship belt in WWE 2K26. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go to creations and select this option championship, select custom championships, then select new here, and once you select that you will able to see the window for create championship. So right here first option we have is template. So just choose the template which you would like to use for your title. I'm going with this one, select yes. Now the second option you have is front plate, and here you're gonna see a lot of designs, so whichever you like just choose that. I'm going with this one. On the side of front plate we have the option for setting, so from here you'll able to adjust the setting, like you can add image on the front plate. If I select that option, we can add designs, flags, lettering, misc images, arena images, whatever that is which you wanna add. Just select that. My image would be in designs, and the image which I would like to add here is maybe this one. So you can see the image is added. Now we can go to image placement to adjust the image. So by using the d-pad we can adjust the size of the image. Okay, and also you can use LB/RB key for rotation. Now it is done, so we can just select this, then go to tiling. If you wanna add something like this, I'm going for single. Then if you go into material, you'll able to see options like leather, matte, so you can choose the material. I'm gonna choose steel. Then go to color, I'm gonna use yellow one. Then go to opacity if you wanna decrease it. Go to outline to add the outline. I'm gonna add maybe red outline. Outer glow, and select accept. Now the image is looking good. You can also add drop shadow, skew if you like, but if you go into emboss you're gonna see the effect like this. You can see that the image is kind of changing, so you can add this effect, but now it's looking good, so we can just accept this and move into the next part. You can change the material of the front plate. For that go to material, and right now we can change the material of the front plate as I said. So the one which I can go for is this one, crocodile scales. Underneath of material we have the option for color, so right here you will able to change the color of the front plate. I guess I'm gonna use purple. Select accept. You can also change the secondary color, so maybe we can use red. Select accept. Now we are done with the front plate. It's time for the side plates, and similarly you need to choose the side plates now. So I guess this is gonna look good, and here you can again change the settings, and here you can just go for left side plate first. Go to add new image if you wanna add any images again on the side plates, but I don't wanna add any images, so I'll just move into material. I'm gonna use the same material which we use for front plate, and color gonna be same as the front plate. First I'm gonna choose purple, the secondary would be red. I'm just gonna accept this. Now guys, as you can see we got the left side plate done, and if you wanna copy this on the right side plate as it is, for that you can just use this option. Select yes, and that way you'll get everything as it is on the right side. Select accept now. Now you can go to the strap and just choose the strap. So I think I'm gonna choose this one, and once you choose the strap, again we can go to the settings and add images on the strap if you like. You can change the pattern. I would like to change the pattern into something like this one. You can also change the pattern placement if you like. You can also able to change the material of it, but I guess the first material is looking good. You can change the color, and the color we're gonna use is this one. Select accept, and secondary would be red. Select accept again. Now you can adjust the skew, like this is how it's gonna look, and select accept. Now guys, we are done with strap, side plates, front plate. Only thing is remain is title information, and if we get into this we'll able to change the title name. I'm gonna name my title LLE. Just save this. You can also change the name of your title in entrance. You'll also able to change the animation like this, whichever you like, just select that. Underneath of that we have the option for ring announcement, and you have the option for gender as well. So if you want to put this title only for males, or if you want to make it for female, you can go for that, or you can just put this on any as well. And again, if you want to make it for single or tag, choose that. You can also turn on or off cruiserweight, select accept at the bottom, and now we are done. Just select accept, select yes. Now they'll ask you whether you would like to share your creation with the community. If you want, then just select upload. If you don't, just select do not upload. So yeah, at this point we have successfully created our custom championship. In order to see that, just scroll and you will able to see your created custom championship. That's how you will able to create custom championship in WWE 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.